Hello everyone, just making a quick update. I always say quick, but there's sometimes not so quick. About how I'm making the door. The door is going to rise vertically so that I can move the wheel and tire assembly as far back as I want. Well, to a point where it's not going to hit the door, because the door would normally be hinged here and go forward against the tire. This way it just comes up and mostly completely clears the tire. Now, this is the inner door skin. Let me get over this side. This is the template for the inner door skin, and I thought it would be handy to just screw it on. This hinge is just an extra hinge, so I screwed it onto the trailer so that it will go up and down. And I also screwed on the gas strut that I'm going to use to raise the door up and down. Now, inside the trailer, as you can't really see, I built a temporary wooden frame to hold the lower strut mount in a position that I just guessed would be probably the right spot from looking at YouTube videos and how to install these struts. Seems there's quite a bit of leeway in what you want to do. At any rate, I'm going to hook it onto the lower mount and just show you how the movement works. It should work better with the actual door. The actual door with the window in it is probably 7 or 8 pounds heavier than the bare piece of the equivalent of 3/4 inch plywood. So what I'm hoping is it will rise up fairly easily and stay up there without putting too much strain on the hinge or the wall. The wall will be slightly reinforced where the lower mount is, and the hinge area in the door, I don't know if you can see it, but you'll see there's a piece of plastic wood, PVC wood, on the inside. There's also one on the outside. This is just PVC door stop trim. That's all I could get locally. If I go up to Owen Sound to the Home Depot, they have actual dimensional lumber made out of PVC. And I really didn't want to use that this time. That's why I have the lip here for the weather stripping, so they didn't have to put anything on the inside of the trailer to hold the weather stripping tight. All right, so let's try it. Okay, so now you see that the sort of pseudo door is up a little higher than vertical. Now I'll just push it down. It's fairly easy to push down. Gets to the bottom. And I'll let it go. So it seems to have a bit of a soft action at the very top, which I think is good. If you watch, it slows down for the last about 1/2 inch of travel. It should cushion the blow on the hinge a little bit too. It doesn't take much to push it down, and I think that'll make it quite easy to get in and out. I may make it adjustable with a couple of positions for the lower mount, for the lower ball mount. just so I don't really know how high this trailer is going to end up. It will have an adjustable suspension, so I am going to be able to have this trailer fairly low to the ground if I want, or raise it up all fairly high for off-road use. But I really don't want people to end up walking into the edge of the door all the time. But I guess that's always a risk when you're using a vertical latch, vertical door style. Anyway, the outside of the door, I have not removed the temporary plastic. You can see I have an actual RV latch and lock assembly on the bottom. And much easier than making the D clamp style that I made on the last trailer. The hinge, after it's all finished, I'll cover this with vinyl, glue some vinyl fabric on here, just to make it look a little neater, and also to stop people from trying to unscrew the hinge to get inside, if they really wanted to do that. I don't know. There's also a window that opens with a screen. I used this, one of these windows on the last trailer I built. These came from one of the surplus dealers, and these are actually brand new windows, which was nice to find at the surplus dealer. All right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks to everybody that's subscribed, and have a good day.